Hi guys, Roxy and Oscar. Hey Oscar, I've got some nice juicy bones to chew. The little boy, he's had his lunch, he's made a mess of his bed. This is the way he sleeps. I'm getting a bit worried about Figgy actually. What's the matter? Tulip. This was called Tulip, by the way. No, I can't let you out, baby. No, it's above my pay grade, that. It's way above my pay grade to let you out, Tulip. I'm sorry. No can do. So yeah, I'm a bit worried about this little guy, little Figgy. He has trouble eating. Look at the mess he's made. He seems to get things stuck in his teeth. And also Tina's had to save him from choking a couple of times. Tulip, what's the matter? I know you want out to play Tulip, but you might run away. And if you run away, I'm dead. So no chance. I don't know where the other little guy is. There's food everywhere, pal. There's a lot of flu going around. Summer flu. This is Lola, she's not looking so great. She's been treated by Tina though. Tina says there's a few of them that's got flu. I don't think any of my tribe have. I don't know where the other little guy is. I don't know where he goes. Tulip! What is it, Tulip? You want out? Are you very friendly? You're very nice, aren't you? You're very nice. I like black cats, Tulip. I like any colour cats. Hey baby. Hey baby. Hey baby. You're cute, aren't you? Very cute. Eat all that food, Eames. I don't know where he is. Don't fight. I know that neither of you are feeling very well, but don't fight. Chili peppers out here, it's roasting out here. It's nice in there because it's under the air con and the baby likes the air con. But not too cold. Yes, Emo, I know, pal. But there's food everywhere, son, and you won't eat it. I don't know what's going on with you. You're just an old guy like me. Where's Zico? Emo, where's Zico? No, I don't know either, boy. So the girls have been here working today. They reckon that they've made that flat. I don't know. Looks good enough for me, I suppose. Emo, there's no food left up there, boy. It's all inside. He's the strangest animal in the world. Alright guys, that's about it from here today. I'll see you later. Have a good day. Bye.